Hello, I'm ANANDA Raj. How are you all? I welcome you all to the Nursing Life YouTube channel. And today I'm coming to you with psychology subject to make you ready for the exams and get highest marks in psychology if you work hard. So what I'm explaining is based on the B.Sc Nursing NTR University syllabus, and there are 8 units, and the unit 1 is introduction. In this, the 4 main topics are there. First one is the history and the origin of the science of psychology. The second one is the definitions and the scope of psychology. And the third one is the methods of psychology. And the fourth one is the relevance of psychology to nursing. So these are the 4 topics. And in these topics, the most important are the definitions and the relevance of nursing. This question is asked in many times in the main exam. Okay, now definitions, if you see, you don't write 1 or 2 definitions. Right, there are many definitions are there. The psychology is defined as a study of the soul, and it is defined as study of the mind, study of the experience, study of behavior and experience, and it is a systematic study of the behavior and the mental capabilities in the particular context. This is the latest definition. So write the many definitions which are explained by different people or the different psychologists. The second one is the scope of psychology, means use of psychology knowledge in different areas. The first field is, number 1 is the field of education, number 2 is the field of medicine, number 2 is the field of guidance and counseling, number 4 is in the field of industry and the business management, number 5 in the field of law. The sixth one is psychology as a teaching subject, and the 7th one for self-development. So these are the 7 areas where the knowledge of psychology is applied. And the third topic is methods of psychology. These methods are explained to prove that psychology is a science. And these methods, there are 8 methods are there. First one is the observation method, second one is the experimental method, third one is the survey method, fourth one is the case study method, fifth one is the test method, sixth one is genetic and developmental method, seventh one is the armchair method or easy chair method, and the eighth one is the interview method. And the fourth topic is relevance of psychology to nursing. This is very important topic, and just I want to tell you, you have to write minimum of 4 important topics without missing. The first one, you have to explain, including the knowledge of psychology along with the other subjects which you are studying, like biochemistry, microbiology, physiology, and all other subjects. Recently, the psychology is also introduced into the nursing to understand the behavior of the patients, because some patients are very difficult to understand. If you understand well, you can help them in a better way. So the next thing you have to write, second point is explain about the first nurse who has published about certain points. The nurse is Florence Nightingale, yes, and you explain about what are the points she has explained. She explained it in the notes on nursing, and she published it. And the third point is psychology and the working nurse. How the working nurse has to understand and apply the knowledge of psychology when treating the patients. So when treating the patients, you have to treat physically or prepare the patient physically, psychologically, emotionally, and you have to understand and use the knowledge of sensation and help the patient. So this is where you are using different applications for different people based on the diseases, mostly psychosomatic disorders. And the fourth point is psychology and the student nurse. This is mainly to help the student to learn certain techniques in learning, in memory, about the intelligence, about the personality, and other things, so that the student can remember and reproduce what he or she remembers in the examination to get highest marks. So don't forget to subscribe to the Nursing Life, and don't forget to share it to your friends or other students. Without forgetting, please do it, and also subscribe it, so that the next programs or the next classes what we are going to produce, or rather we are going to upload in the YouTube, will notification will come to you. So don't forget to share it. See you all in the next unit. Bye bye. Take care.